In this video, I will show you how to integrate Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect for lead generation. So if you are new to Pabbly Connect, giving you a quick definition that Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software that allows you to connect multiple applications and automate your manual tasks. But what is the benefit of integrating this Google Sheet with the Pabbly Connect? So you can collect the lead data from different applications to Google Sheets automatically in real time. Whether you are running some Facebook lead ad, or whether you are capturing the lead data from Google Ads or from some form builder software like Elementor Form or Jot Form, or let's say you are collecting the lead from any CRM like HubSpot, or you are getting the customers data from WooCommerce, you can collect the lead data from different applications to Google Sheets automatically. And the benefits are not limited. You can even send your Google Sheets data. Assume that you already have a lead data in your spreadsheet, so now you can send that data to different application and automate the process of email sending, WhatsApp message sending, SMS sending. You can also add the contact in your favorite CRM software and forward the lead data on applications like Telegram or Slack. Now I will give you even a quick live example that how this integration is possible and how this integration will help you adding your Facebook lead ad data to Google Sheets automatically. So Facebook lead ad and Google Sheets are two different applications and there is no direct connection. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, firstly I am going to build the connection in these applications so that whenever a new lead is captured via Facebook lead ad form, the same lead data will be added automatically and instantly to Google Sheets. And if you want to learn vice versa, assume that you already have the lot of lead data in your Google Sheets, I can even show you how you can automate the process of sending the email to your lead directly and automatically from Google Sheets. Yes, what will happen whenever the new lead data is added in Google Sheets, the emails will be sent automatically to your lead. Want to learn how you can also do that? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So firstly, I'm taking an example of adding the Facebook lead ad data to Google Sheets automatically. So yes, I'm running some ads on Facebook and this is the Facebook lead ad form I have already opened, and in fact I have also created a blank spreadsheet with few basic columns. Now I'm going to automate this process. I'm going to integrate these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software, and using which I'm going to connect these applications and going to automate my task. I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I'm already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. So I have directly pasted the name as add Facebook lead ads data to Google Sheets automatically. Now it is asking to select the folder, so I will be selecting this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find two boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in the trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new lead is captured via this Facebook lead ad form application, then automatically collect the lead data in Google Sheets application. Okay, so in this way I'm going to integrate these two applications with the Pabbly Connect, or we can say within Pabbly Connect, and going to automate this interesting task. Okay, so I have selected both the application in the trigger and the action window, and now I will be connecting these two applications one by one with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect this Facebook lead ad data, lead form data with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so selecting the trigger event, that is this new lead instant. Okay, read the instructions. Triggers when a new lead is submitted in a specified lead generation form associated to your Facebook page. Okay, so I have selected the same. Now clicking on this connect button, then clicking on add a new connection, and if you are already logged in your Facebook account, click on this button and it it will directly ask you the permission, not ask you the access of your Facebook account. You can notice the authorization is successful and your Facebook lead ad account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And because we are connected, whatever the pages are available inside my Facebook account have started visible here. So I will be selecting this specific page, that is Home Hub Real Estate. Okay, so coming back and have selected the same, and as soon as you selected the page, whatever the lead generation form are associated with this page will start visible here in the drop down. Let me even show you that this is my page, the Facebook page. First I will open this Meta Business Suite, and now I will take you to the lead generation section of this page. Okay, give me a second. So clicking on this all tool section firstly. After that, at the end you will find the instant form section. So yes, this is the Facebook lead generation form section, lead ad data. Okay, give me a second. All right, lead ad forms, and currently I have a single form only. The name of the form is this lead form. You can notice I have collected, basically I am collecting the basic name, email and phone number data. Okay, so this is the basic form. Enter your name, the email, the phone number and even the city. Okay, so for now I am closing it, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and firstly I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request, and after that I would recommend you to kindly read the instructions carefully. Firstly, here you can notice it is waiting for the webhook response. Okay, which means it is saying please note that after clicking on the save and send test request button, you will need to generate the sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on this preview form button and filling out the form, and make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Okay, it is asking that your lead generation form is live, but I am not running any live advertisement. Okay, so how I am going to generate the lead for which it is already waiting? So I will make use of this Facebook lead ad testing tool. If you will click on this hyperlink, you will be redirected to this specific documentation. If you will scroll down, you will find the Facebook lead ad testing tool here. Okay, you can also find the same tool by searching on the Google. All right, so this is the Facebook lead ad testing tool, and here you will find all the pages as well as all the forms associated with these pages. Okay, and the same lead ad testing tool is already open in this particular tab, so I have closed that one, and I have even added some dummy information. Yes, I am going to proceed with this dummy data only, not with any live data. Okay, so coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, so firstly I will submit this form. Here you can notice this all lead generation form is selected, so I will have to firstly select this lead form. Okay, so coming back to my Facebook lead ad form, clicking on this next button, clicking on the submit button, and as soon as the submission is successful, you will notice that the details of form submission will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly. Okay, fingers crossed, waiting for the response, and here you can notice the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. This is the full name, the very same name. We also have the email address, the same phone number, even the city. We also have the created time. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our Facebook lead ad form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time any new lead is generated via your Facebook lead ad form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time, and in this way the first step of our automation is done. Okay, so we have successfully integrated this Facebook lead ad form with the Google Sheets. Okay, now I will show you how you can integrate this Google Sheets and can collect the lead generation data in your spreadsheet. So the application is already selected, selecting the action event, that is add a new row, clicking on this connect button, then clicking on add a new connection. If you are connecting Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect for the first time, click on this sign in with Google and choose the account in which your spreadsheet is created. Okay, so I have selected my account, asking for the permission, so clicking on allow, and in this way once again the authorization will be successful and my Google Sheets account will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Alright, so it is connected, and here you can notice, because we are connected, whatever the spreadsheets are available inside my Google Sheets account have started visible here. Okay, so the name of my spreadsheet is this lead data, so I will be searching for the same, and as soon as I search, I select the spreadsheet as well as sheet, you will notice that these columns will be changed. Basically, whatever the columns you have added inside your spreadsheet, the same column names will be fetched up here in the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Okay, and in the sheet also, because I had a single sheet only, so it has got selected automatically, and you can find the same 3 column here, that is the name, email and phone number. Yes, I will be providing the data in these fields, and in this way the data will be added to my spreadsheet automatically. And the interesting thing here is, I am not going to manually copy my lead generation data from the above step response and paste it below again and again. I am going to map this data so that the data will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time, or we can say whenever the new lead is captured via Facebook lead ad form. And mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, so I have selected that data and it is mapped successfully, and in the same way I am going to map other details also. Okay, and telling you this thing once again, that whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. But if I will provide any detail manually, that detail will remain same. Like in this case, I have selected the spreadsheet data, basically my spreadsheets manually from the drop down. So every time the data will be added in this spreadsheet only, but these details will be replaced automatically. Okay, so clicking on this button, save and send test request, and firstly waiting for the response to received. Alright, so you can notice a response is received, and this is a positive response. So going back and checking my spreadsheet, and you can notice the lead data has been captured here automatically to my spreadsheet. Okay, so in this way, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can also integrate your Google Sheets with different application and automatically collect the lead from different application to Google Sheets in real time, and again automatically and instantly. Okay, so our automation is working absolutely fine, and this was the first benefit I have told you initially, that how you can collect the lead generation data. Now assume that you already have lot of lead data in your spreadsheet, so how you can forward that data to different application, or how you can automate the process of sending either email or WhatsApp message or SMS. I am going to show you that also. So before that, how about I add multiple data in my spreadsheet, and yes, I am dragging up the same data because this video is just for the testing purpose. So yes, we can proceed with this testing data only, or I can simply change the email from here by adding some number. All right, okay, but it is taking time, so I will proceed with the same data. Okay, so I already have the data. Now I will create a new workflow. Now again, it is up to you whether you want to create a new workflow or you want to automate the process of sending the email within this workflow only. Yes, you just need to click on this plus icon and search for your favorite application and connect that application with Pabbly Connect, and in this way you will be able to automate this process. But currently I'm taking an example that you already have the data in your Google Sheets, and that data does not have any relation with this Facebook lead ad form. So I'll show you everything from scratch. Give a name, something like send email to Google Sheets data automatically. Okay, so I have provided this particular name. Once again, it is asking for the folder, so selecting the same folder, clicking on create, and in this way again trigger an action windows will be open up. So this time I will be selecting Google Sheets as the trigger application, because I'm sending the data from Google Sheets, not collecting the data into Google Sheets. Okay, so that is why I'm selecting the same. All right, so the sheet is selected, the spreadsheet is selected. Now I will be selecting the trigger event, that is this new or updated spreadsheet row, and you will find a webhook URL along with few set of instructions. Okay, so with the help of this URL only, we are going to connect our spreadsheet with the Pabbly Connect. So let me close this landing page for now, and I can also minimize this tab and taking it at the extreme left. Okay, so this is my spreadsheet whose data I would like to collect to Pabbly Connect, or we can say I want to send the email. Okay, so click on this extension, click on add-ons, click on get add-ons and search for the Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on firstly. Basically whatever the spreadsheet you are connecting with Pabbly Connect or in which you already have the data of lead, you will have to firstly open the add-on section and search for this add-on. Okay, well in my case the add-on is already installed, so I will be closing it for now, but you will have to install it, because after installing it you will have to open the same add-on from here. Okay, simply click on this initial setup option and here we will have to paste the same webhook URL which we have got via Pabbly Connect. So let me paste the same, then it will ask you the trigger column. Okay, it has got deleted, so let me paste the same once again. Okay, asking for the trigger column. The trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Okay, so basically it is asking to specify a column name on filling of which this automation should trigger, or we can say the data of spreadsheet should be sent to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm adding the data up to C column, so the final column here is C in my case. Okay, and I'm not going to add further data after the C column, so I will be adding the C column as the trigger column. Clicking on the send test button and you will notice that the first row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect successfully. Clicking on submit and closing it, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and checking the response, and you can notice the first row data has been captured via Pabbly Connect, and this is the same phone number, the same name and even the same email address. Okay, the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect is also working absolutely fine. Basically our spreadsheet is successfully integrated with the Pabbly Connect. Now here I would like to tell you two very important things. First, whenever you are connecting your spreadsheet with the Pabbly Connect, either you should work in the incognito window or multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in the same tab. Okay, I'm repeating this thing once again, either work in the incognito window or multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in the same tab. And the second important thing is, once the data has been captured inside Pabbly Connect, after that you can enable the send on event option. Okay, so if you will enable this option, what will happen? Every time a new data is getting added in your spreadsheet, the same data will send to Pabbly Connect automatically. Okay, so if a tick mark is added here, that means the option is enabled, and this is for real time email sending or real time data processing. Okay, every time a new data is added, a new row is added, the data will be sent to Pabbly Connect in real time. But let's say you want to forward the same data in bulk, so instead of enabling this send on event option, enable this send all data option. I'm repeating this thing once again. For bulk email sending, enable this send all data, but here I would like to recommend you that enable this option in the end of the video, basically after the successful workflow creation. If you are satisfied with the automation, then only enable that option. Okay, so selecting the application as Gmail, because here I'm showing you how you can send the email. I'm really sorry, by mistaken I have selected this API by Pabbly, so searching for the Gmail only. Alright, so I have selected the same, and as an action event I will be selecting send email. Okay, this is the action event, that is send email. Clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, clicking on this connect with Gmail and providing the access of my Gmail account, and in this way the authorization will be successful and my Gmail account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Alright, so it is connected, and now it is asking for the recipient email address and lot of other details which are actually required for sending an email on Gmail. Okay, so here in this particular field, once again I am going to map the email address of the receiver, and here the receiver is going to be this particular person. Okay, so how I am going to add the data? Again I will map it, so click on this button and you will find the above data here in the drop down, and here we have the email address. You must be thinking that this is a dummy email address, so how the email will get sent? So don't worry about that. I will replace this dummy email address with my genuine email address before I click on this final save and send test request button. Okay, asking for CC, BCC, well I'm leaving it blank. And let me tell you one more thing, you can also add multiple Gmail address separated by a comma. Asking for the sender name, so I will add the sender name something like ABC team. Asking for the email subject line, welcome to our salon. get 10% discount. Okay, so assume that I already have the lead data and I want to send this discount email to all my leads. So I have added this specific email subject line, welcome to our salon, get 10% discount, and here I can also add the name of the person again from this drop down. So the name was this dummy user. All right, so I have mapped it, giving a space, also asking for the email content type. So if you want to send a simple mail, go with this plain text. Okay, but if you want to send the email along with lot of formatting, go with this HTML, and you can learn that how you can create an HTML email by watching this tutorial. Currently I'll go with the same, that is plain. Okay, how about we compose the email? Okay, after this hello, again I want that the name of the person should appear here, so I have mapped it successfully. After that I will add a comma, 10% discount on all salon services during this Christmas. Okay, so I am sending this basic discount email to my customer. Okay, finally ending this email as thanks ABC salon team. Okay, the email is looking good. If you have any attachment, any file, you can also add the link here. Now I'll be clicking on this button, save and send test request, and will show you how the email will be arrived here automatically. But before that, I will have to replace this dummy email address with my genuine one. Okay, so give me a second. So I have provided the email address, clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response to receive, and if that response is positive, that means the email has been sent. Alright, it is saying the email has been sent. Going back, and did you notice the same sender name, that is this ABC team, the same subject line, that is dummy user, welcome to our salon, get 10% discount, and this is the same content, that is hello dummy user, 10% discount on all salon services during this Christmas, thanks ABC salon team. So did you notice how I was able to automatically send the email to the lead which is present in my spreadsheet, and that is possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in this way, by creating multiple workflows, by clicking on these plus icons, you can add multiple applications, you can connect to multiple applications with each other and automate lot of business process. And just in case if you want to access both automations, the one which I have created initially, that was adding the Facebook lead ad data in Google Sheets, and the second one is sending the emails automatically to the Google Sheets data. I will attach the link of both the automations in my description box. You can click on that link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same two workflows inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And once this automation is ready inside Pabbly Connect, after that you can sit back and relax and even close Pabbly Connect, because everything will work in the backend. Pabbly Connect will take care of all the data. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.